So today I will discuss briefly Rutherford's atomic model. So Rutherford attempted to distribute electrons and protons in the atom. So what he did, he gave the model which is based on his experiment. Alpha scattering experiment. What is alpha scattering experiment? Rutherford bombarded gold foil with high energetic alpha particles. What he observed and what he concluded from that experiment we will discuss here briefly. He observed that most of the alpha particles were passing the gold foil undeflected. From this observation, he concluded that most of the space in the atom is empty. Some alpha particles were deflected by small angles. What that means? He concluded that this is because of the repulsive force. That means alpha particle is a positive charged particle. There is some heavy positive charged body inside the atom. When alpha particle moves close to that positive charged body, it gets deflected by small angles. A few alpha particles, 1 out of 20,000, were deflected at an angle of 180. That means they were bouncing back. So Rutherford concluded that these alpha particles, they strike this positively charged body inside the atom. Therefore, they are deflected at an angle of 180 degree. So on the basis of this observation, these observations and conclusions, Rutherford framed his model. The postulators of the model are: atom contains a heavy positively charged body in the center which occupies a small volume. He named this positive charged body as nucleus. उसका उसने नाम रखा था nucleus, रखा उसका नाम. This is nucleus. Nucleus contains protons. Protons are positive charged particles. So the charge of the nucleus is because of protons. So we can say that protons reside inside the nucleus. So electrons are surrounding this nucleus. That means they are revolving around the nucleus. This nucleus, electron is revolving around the nucleus in circular paths. These circular paths were called orbits. उन circular paths को नाम रखा गया orbits. That means electrons are revolving around the nucleus in the circular paths called orbits. So this model resembles with the solar system, in which the sun plays the role of the nucleus and the planets play the role of electrons, revolving electrons. So these two are held, nucleus and the electrons are held by electrostatic force of attraction, being oppositely charged. So Rutherford compared the atom with the nucleus, because we have said that nucleus occupies very small volume in the atom. So he made some calculations and found that the diameter of the nucleus is 10 raised to power minus 15 meter, whereas the diameter of the atom is 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. So how can we understand this comparison? if we place a cricket ball in the ground, in the center of the ground, having radius equal to 5 kilometer, this whole ground will act as an atom, and the cricket ball which we have placed at the center acts as a nucleus. Now you can imagine yourself how much space is empty in the atom. So this was about Rutherford's model. After the discovery of the neutron in 1932, this model was a bit modified. What is the modification? The nucleus contains two particles, proton and neutron. Proton has positive charge, as well as neutron has no charge. That means the nucleus, which is massive, the whole almost mass of the atom is concentrated in this nucleus, contains two types of particles, positive charged protons and neutral charged neutrons. Okay, thanks.